Chris Aquino nagpunta sa Boracay kasama ang kanyang mga anak na sila Bibi at Josh, kasama rin ang kanilang mga katiwala at kanang kamay. Dito nga sa Boracay ay nagbakasyon ang mag-iina at doon ay nag-unwind. Syempre kailangan nga ni Chris ng sariwang hangin at malinis na kapaligiran, plus mas maganda rin na nasa dagat sila. Panoorin, at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Pagdating nga sa hotel ay talaga namang nag-room tour pa itong si Miss Chris Aquino at inisa-isa lahat doon, maski ang mga gamit sa kitchen, sa kwarto at sa kanilang toilet. Nakakatuwa si Miss Chris Aquino dahil may pagka-OC.
Ang favorite kong ginagawa?
Turn off the aircon.
Yes, turn off the aircon. Sayang naman ang fresh sea air. Living room, and then dito ka kakain if you want to eat in. You have a refrigerator. Check natin. Mini bar. Ay, tapos all you have your plates na. Kung magpapabili ka siguro ng food, tapos may mas malaking ref. With drinks. Let's not show the drinks kasi nakakontrata po ako. And then, meron silang welcome basket. Yay! And then, let's look at the rooms. This is room number 1, and because this is my kaligayahan, sayang naman, dapat we should enjoy the sea air. So, I will open this. There you go. Very fresh air. At dahil OC ako, gusto ko nakaayos ang back dyan. So, you get 2 beds here. And then, nice. This is the first bathroom with a Japanese toilet. Yes. With a rainfall shower overhead. Very nice. And then this is the master bedroom. Let's look first at the bathroom. Ooh, with a tub. Nice. Ay, cute na chinelas na. Yay!
Ang toilet nga sa hotel na pinagstayan nila ay napaka-high-tech na rin dahil nga ito ay Japanese toilet. Nakakatuwa, marami rin ang nagkukomento kay Miss Chris Aquino na nakikita siya na ganyan at masayang masaya. Mula kay Gabriel Atienza, salute Miss Chris. Bim and Josh has a good manner. How would you be able to raise such kids like them, knowing the prestige and lifestyle they have? Especially, Josh on the video was very courteous and polite to those people he doesn't even know.
Mom said she wants to live here. Pero there's no SNR. I said, I got out of here. I don't want to live anywhere else but Manila. Kasi family's there. They're nice. And all the work's there. Always keep working. One goal, always keep working. You know why? Kasi it's productive to the society. I hope it goes well for anyone. Hope they don't get bored. I hope they stay healthy, of course. But then they don't. But never blame anyone else. Okay, thank you. Why can't I swim yaya? It's nice here. Hello, remember you, friend. No gold, silver medals.
At mula naman kay Aurora Pascual, I'm so glad. Chris, you're so good and healthy now. God is good to your family, Josh and Bimbi. They really love you very much. Enjoy your vacation in Boracay. God bless you always.
And then...
Umbrella!
Nice! Ganda ng writing table. Oh, may table ka. Ang ganda ng bed.
Mom.
Wait lang, honey. I'll open.
I'll do it. You're not strong. Okay.
I'm getting stronger.
Thank you. Yeah. Look. Umbrella.
Someone's happy. There's an umbrella. Kung napansin ninyo, yung isa na tuwa sa umbrella. Earlier, yung isa na tuwa.
Medyo malamigin pala itong si Miss Chris Aquino, kaya naman ang aircon sa loob ng kanilang hotel room ay talaga namang kanyang tine-turn off. At mas gusto pa nga niya ang natural air, kaya naman ino-open niya ang mga bintana at pintuan para naman sa gayon ay pumasok ang sea breeze. Siyempre bukod nga kay Bimbi ay narito rin ang kanyang kuya Josh. Marami ang natutuwa kay Josh dahil talagang napaka-sweet na anak niya sa kanyang mommy Chris. Mula kay Carla, Bimbi and Josh are very sweet and well-mannered men. This is all because to Chris Aquino, God has given her two men in her life that would love and respect her for the rest of her life. Mula naman kay Edeline Agabon, napakalaking biyaya ni Miss Chris na nagkaroon siya ng mga ganyang anak. Kaya isa sa mga dahilan ng Diyos na gumaling siya kasi may namabubuti siyang mga anak.
Only three. Hi everyone. Here. Morning everyone, eat breakfast with me.
Na naman kay Amelita Hernandez, ang sabi niya, the two kids are the reflection of their mother, well-mannered despite of their status in life. Chris remains humble and respectful. She nurtured Kuya Josh and Bimbi to do the same. God bless you.
Yum. Morning everyone. Hi everyone, we're going to see the room in Ohana.
Madami palang kinuhang hotel room sina Miss Chris Aquino, kaya naman ito ay iniro-room tour din nila. Nakakatuwa dahil ang kanilang mga kanang kamay ay mayroon din mga sari-sariling kwarto at makakatulog ng maayos kagaya nila. Talagang napakabait ng Aquino family at talaga namang may dugong masa, kaya naman pantay-pantay ang tingin niya sa kanyang mga alalay.